Carl?
Hey, Jimmy. Hey.
Hey, what's going on?
Oh.
This was supposed to be done an hour ago. Trixie's coming over here.
I know. I'm putting some finishing touches on the.
She's gonna go
stuff.
nuts.
I know.
It's gotta be ready.
You know how we have to do the accident report for the Salmonson collision?
Yeah.
Okay, well, he's not helpful. He just keeps saying things about pudding. So
He had an accident with a nail gun, remember? It went right up.
Come over, take a look at this. I
What?
thought I had a leaky nipple, but I...
Again?
don't think... No, here we go.
I just don't understand how a man lactates. Like, how does that even start?
Okay. I have a confession. I'm stuck.
Oh, God.
I can't get my hand
I thought
out.
you were gonna say you killed the widow Jenkins. Hey, you know, they still haven't found her head.
Yeah, I heard something about that. Here is Matt Tufnell. He's waiting at the intersection. Mr. Salmonson is right across. Matt Tufnell is listening to Air Supply, so we got a pretty safe bet that he is daydreaming.
I'm gonna ask you something.
What?
Do you ever put your own nipple milk in your coffee?
Look at what I found up here.
You didn't even notice.
What?
The beads! Yeah.
Oh my
Remember when I
gosh.
flashed my nibs?
Yes. Oh, such a good trip.
Do you think this is a good look, or did
I love it.
Okay.
Yes, because it says business, but also party. School bell goes off. Here come the birds. They get frightened by the school bell. They get in front of his windshield. He guns it and goes straight into Tufnell. Boom, side. There we go. And then, oh boy. I don't think that's part of
Well,
the
this
car.
was the car that what? They impounded from Canada, right?
Yeah, maybe if I can just
pull it
get
up.
Oh, wow. Oh, that kicked in.
Oh, you're
Oh,
stuck.
there you are.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, you see what's happening?
Yeah. Why is that wet there?
Oh, that was from earlier.
Okay. Where did you get that?
The toy cars in your office.
They're not toy cars. Carl, those are replicas. They're 1/18 scale collectible replicas. Oh my God, what did you do to it? Hey, you know what we should do? We should get on the casino boat.
You are talking so slowly right now.
I have like 73 things to tell you right now.
Oh, you're almost good. Hey,
Where?
I can feel it. Yeah, you get it.
Oh, wait a minute.
There you
wait
go.
a minute. Wait a minute. No.
Yes.
No,
Done.
I got my Mardi Gras necklace caught on something.
You know, I'm gonna go grab a bear claw and I will be right back.
Carl! Oh, there it.
Hey, how are you, Thomas?
How are you, man?
Good.
Yeah, good to
Thanks
see
for
you.
coming by.
Have a beer. Sit down. Relax. Tommy! He's dead! How does somebody die that fast?
That was really quick. Sure, that backfired a little.
Let's go call the ambulance.
Yeah, let's do that. Oh, there's one in the back. EMT 31, we are inbound.
We've started 20cc IV, and we're going to transport immediately. We should have a team ready at the hospital.
And it's a 10-4 big squirrel. The robin has left the nest with a full bag of nuts.
And one other thing, I don't have any pants on. Repeat, I don't have any pants
Jimmy, Carl,
yeah.
come to the front office now.
on. You're dealing with her this time.
I don't want it. I
No.
don't want it.
What?
Jesus,
Don't,
oh my
no, don't
gosh.
do that. Turn it off.
How do you do that?
No, turn it off.
I'm trying.